Let's see the terminology used in this topic. So whenever they ask you some questions on profit and loss, they are going to use these words. So one is cost price. So cost price is whenever you try to produce something, let's say you want to produce a cycle and you want to sell it. As a manufacturer, you are supposed to buy all the raw products and then manufacture it. The cost that incurred, right, or the money that you invested in order to acquire that or build that product is called as the cost price. This is nothing but your investment. As a manufacturer, this is nothing but your investment, right? And then selling price is at what price you are going to sell the product, that is called the selling price. And if the cost price is, let's say, 100, and if you sell it at 120 rupees, right, then you are going to get a profit of 20 rupees, isn't it? Because your investment is 100 rupees and you got 120 rupees, and the difference is definitely going to your profit or gain, isn't it? So the difference between selling price and cost price is going to be your profit or gain. So which means selling price minus cost price is going to be your profit. And what about loss? Sometimes if your cost price is 100 and if you sold the product at, let's say, 80 rupees, right, which means you are losing 20 rupees, that is going to be the loss. So loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Now you should observe one thing here. You are going to get a profit when selling price is more than your cost price, which means if you get something more than what you invested, obviously that is going to be profit, and you are going to incur some loss if cost price is more than selling price, which means if you are not going to get more than what you invested in, that is going to be your loss, right? And sometimes they will talk about profit percent or loss percent. So profit percent or loss percent is per 100 rupees what is your profit. So this is the profit given that your investment is CP, isn't it? See this, for an amount of CP, which means for some cost price, your profit is SP minus CP, right? Now for 100 rupees of investment, what would be your profit? That is called as the percentage, right? So the profit percent is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. So this is the profit percent. Similarly, we'll have the term loss percent. So we incur a loss whenever cost price is more than selling price. Now for a investment of CP, your loss happened to be CP minus SP. Then for an investment of 100 units, it can be 100 rupees or $100. For investment of 100, what is the loss? So percent means that per 100, isn't it? So whenever they use the word percent, it means that per 100 your loss or profit is compared to your investment. Got it? And when you talk about percent, you are saying that for every 100 rupees of my investment, this is the amount of loss I incurred, isn't it? So in this case, you have invested 100 and you got a profit of 20, therefore 20% is your profit, 20 per 100, isn't it? And you have invested 100 and in this case you got a loss of 20, therefore 20% is your loss. Got it? Okay, with problems these concepts will be clear. We shall see the problems. Okay.